Hey guys, my name is Jamin. Thanks for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a Dell Inspiron 5290 2-in-1 computer. I'm going to show you how to open it up to access your solid state drive. So first thing you want to do, guys, power down the computer correctly. Make sure that it's unplugged and off. We're going to flip it over to access your screws down here on the bottom case. You have 6 screws, 2 here on the left, 2 here on the right, and 2 here in the middle. Once that's done, you can take a small, flat plastic pry tool. I generally use a hard guitar pick and go around the seam on the outside edge all the way around and slowly pop off that screen from this bottom case. You're going to go very slow. You're going to apply a little bit of pressure, but not too much. You don't want to break anything. Go nice and slow and patient, and eventually you can get that screen off after removing those screws. After you can get that screen up, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. As a side note, guys, I have this computer sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging your computer. If you need help with that or any other tools or supplies, check out the link above. I'll also have it below in the description to my Amazon store. It'll give you some suggestions on stuff that I use it in my shop. So before working on anything in a computer, it's always good to unplug or remove your battery. Since this battery is just plugged in here, we don't need to physically remove it first. It's just a good idea to unplug it before working out on anything else. So you're going to take off this black piece of tape right here. Once you take that piece of tape off, you'll see the white battery plug that plugs into this black motherboard port right here. Now, instead of grabbing the wire like anything else, we don't want to grab the wires and pull. We want to grab that plug and pull. So use your fingernails on each end of the plug. It'll have little white grips, or you can use a plastic pry tool, maybe a pair of pliers, but you can unplug the battery there. Once you unplug the battery, guys, this is your solid state drive right here. It's held in by a single screw right there. And once you remove that screw, this is what you're looking at for your solid state drive. It'll pop up a little bit, and then you can slide it out of this plug right there. And that's how you get at your solid state drive. Okay, so that's our video. I hope it was helpful and it allowed you to do what you were trying to do. If you have any questions, guys, check out the FAQs below in the description. I do try to keep those updated. If you need to leave me a comment or question, please do. I do try to get to those as often as possible. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And now I'll leave you with a quick word from my affiliate partner, a great place to get games, Humble Bundle. At Humble, guys, you can get the latest games at great prices. They also have great ways to save when you're buying. You can bundle your games together in a purchase instead of buying them one at a time. You can also join Humble Choice, which is a monthly subscription service that gets you free games every month. And you can also feel good about your purchases because Humble has donated a ton of money to charity. And every time you pay your Humble Choice membership, every time you use my link, charity gets more. So it's a great website, guys, great place to get games. Check it out with the link above. I'll also have the link below in my description.